They say this is one of those myths that even made it into textbooks. Scientist Benjamin Franklin supposedly flew a kite with a key attached during a thunderstorm. Lightning struck the kite, the current traveled down the string, and from that experiment, Franklin proposed the concept of electricity. It's said that a single bolt of lightning can reach up to 1 billion volts. But if that's true, why didn't Franklin end up fried? To investigate, the team dug into Franklin's old biographies. His kite was made of silk and a light wooden frame, so they built 2 versions in different sizes. Grant noted that 18th century records mentioned hemp rope, which actually conducts electricity fairly well. Carrie brought in an antique key from the practice room. Once everything was ready, they tried flying the kites. At first, the kites just spun helplessly in the air and wouldn't fly properly. So they modernized the design, swapping the square cloth for a diamond shape. With that tweak, the kite finally soared over 1,000 meters into the sky. It was a clear day, but in theory, friction between the kite and the wind could still generate static electricity. Grant measured about 6,000 volts on the key. Yet when Carrie touched it with her bare hands, she felt nothing unusual. To crank things up, they brought in a 100,000 volt generator. They soaked the kite string with water to boost its conductivity, then positioned the kite next to the generator. Once the machine fired up, they measured 15,000 volts at the key, but the current was so weak it barely tickled. That's when Torrey decided to go all in. He directly connected the kite to the generator to mimic a lightning strike. This time, small sparks were visible on the key, proving that electricity could indeed travel down the string. Touching it with your finger even gave a noticeable zap. So the question remains, just how much voltage does it really take to kill a person?